Payment details on a listing are added by way of a payment policy. Payment policies can be accessed from account settings, business policies. With eBay Payments, PayPal no longer manages payments for eBay orders. It is all done via the eBay account. In business policies, there are three different types of policies: payment, returns, and postage. If we click on payment, we see a list of the payment policies available. We click on eBay Payments. We can see this policy is called eBay Payments, and we can create a policy description and have the option to set as a default payment policy. Let's do that. With eBay Payments, you have far fewer options for collecting payments than you had with the old system. All payments must go through eBay. The option you have is whether to require immediate payment when the buyer uses buy it now. The advantages of ticking this option is that it will force the buyer to pay immediately. However, this could be a problem if a customer buys multiple items and they want to request a postage total. If you click cash on pickup, it means that the customer will also be able to pay cash on collection of the item. It does, however, mean that immediate payment cannot be used. Once you save your payment policy, any changes will automatically be applied to the listings to which it is assigned. On the quick item form, business payment policy can be defined under delivery details, and here the payments policy can be selected. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.